We are REDMAGIC 5G gaming smartphone global distributor. Meanwhile, we are Xiaomi global distributor. We make B2B global business. We accept global sending, sample, and small orders. If you like the phone, you can place us the order directly. If you want to make B2B the business of REDMAGIC 5G gaming smartphones and Xiaomi global version products, you can contact with us. Okay, let's continue to review REDMAGIC 5G gaming smartphone. REDMAGIC 5G gaming smartphone have 4 colors. Black color, all Google applications, and multi-language menus. Blue color, red color, and transparent version. 4 colors. REDMAGIC 5G is a 6.65-inch AMOLED LED display, 19.5 to 9 radio, 2340 pixels by 1080 pixels, Corning Gorilla Glass, 144 Hz refresh rate. The displayed refresh rate is very high, 144 Hz refresh rate. Android 10 operating system, Qualcomm Snapdragon 865 7nm plus, octa-core 2.84 GHz. Memory storage have 128 GB ROM, 8 GB RAM, or 12 GB RAM, 256 GB ROM, 12 GB RAM, or 16 GB RAM. Its front camera is 8 megapixel f2.0 aperture, and its main camera are 64 megapixel f1.8 aperture, 8 megapixel f2.0 aperture, and 2 megapixel with LED flashlight. The battery built-in is 4500 mAh battery built-in. Supports fast battery charging 55 watt. Full battery charging only need 40 minutes. It supports fingerprint under the display. Type-C USB port 3.0 version. NFC, GPS, AGPS, GLONASS, BTS, Galileo, Bluetooth 5.1 Bluetooth. Let's test its 64 megapixel camera. We can see the details of the photo quality super clearly. However, it is a professional gaming smartphone. You can see fan, cooler, both sides have the fan cooler. It supports 2 nano SIM card only. It doesn't support micro SD card anymore. Let's compare the both color, black color, blue color, lead blue color. All Google applications. About the phone. And multi-language menu. Global language menu. It is super. It is absent for the screen refresh rate is 144 Hz. Very fast. It is very good for the gaming. A professional gaming smartphone. Cooling fan. Okay, let's continue to check what include in the color box. Headphone jack. The color box we make it global sending. If you like the gaming smartphone of REDMAGIC 5G, you can play us the order directly. We have 2 versions in our warehouse. Global version and global long version. Whatever which version you choose, we guarantee the phone will working on in your country, in your market. The charger is 55 watt. Full charge the phone battery only 40 minutes. We have UK adapter, Europe adapter, and Australia adapter for your market need. One pieces, both are Type-C cable. A Japan. Warranty card and manual. That's all. black color and blue color.